Hi everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to plot three main visualizations. I'll be talking about the Lollipop chart, the tree map and the donut map. So again, I'll be using the sample EU store data set which I've connected to, and I'm going to be using the orders table. Now let's go straight to the Lollipop chart. So this chart is basically a combination of two bar charts. How do I mean? Now let's drag, for example, region. Let's use the region and let's take the sales for each of the region. Now I have a bar chart plotted, but I'm going to be using the same sales in by the side. So it's the same metric, regional sales, but I'm using sales twice on the row. So what I'll be doing is to make this a dual axis. When I click this one, you'll see the dual axis option. But when I click the first one, it doesn't appear because it's expecting me to use the second one because this is the first one and this is as the first. So when it comes to the repetition, this will be the second one and I'm going to use dual axis. Now it's a turn to circles and we have two axes. So I'm going to synchronize both. I'll click on this, right click on it and synchronize axis. Cool. So now I have sales 1 and I have the sales 2. I'm going to use the first sales as the bar chart. I'm going to turn it to bar. There you go. You can see it has combined the two together. But I'm going to be reducing the size because it's too thick for my liking. Let me use it more. Yeah, cool. And again, I'm going to change the size of this one and make it bigger and too big for for the thing. Yeah, I think this is fine. I will change this color to red. Yeah, that's my lollipop, and there you go. And if I want the label, I'm going to use sales as well, so it's not fully in the circle. So I'm going to change the alignment in the label. I'm going to change alignment to this one, and the color as well. So you can see that the color is a particular one is black, the others are white. I'm going to change it to white to make it visible. There you go. I have the lollipop chart. So like I said, the same matrix is telling me the region value for this is this one, the other one is for this one, and this. So it's arranging it in that order and displaying the value as well. Cool. Let me see if we have sorts. So there you go with your lollipop. And if you want to sort the cells in a descending order or ascending order, you can use this one. Cool. And you can actually see the position. So let's go to the tree map. So I'm going to use region again, and I'm going to press down the control key and I'm going to say sales. All right, I'm going straight down to show me and I'm going to pick Treemap. Now this is quite straightforward. It's just 3 regions and plotted a Treemap for me. If I want the color to be green and red to show, again, let me put the sales in the labels to show which sales or which region has the most profitable or larger amount of sales. I'm gonna go here and let's edit colors. See, the color says automatic. I'm going to take, let's see, green, red, green, diverging. Yeah, I think this is it. All right, diverging. This one. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want. And the red, the lower it is, the red it becomes. And there you go, because we don't have much difference in here. It's not really visible. Cool. So let's go to the donut chart. The donut chart is a bit different. So we're gonna create two calculated field, okay, just to make sure that we are dealing with the right position. I'm going to 0, okay, and put 0 in here. 0, not whole. All right, so 0, and I'm gonna put the 0 in there. It's nice. I'll put the 0 in here in the rows, okay, in the rows, and I'm gonna make it in circular, or let me see, pie chart. I'll make it pie chart, okay. I'm going to increase the size of my 0, my 0 tooltip to make it bigger. Let me do entire view. There you go, bigger it is. I'm going to create the second circle, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller, okay. I'm still using the 0 matrix, but I'm going to do dual axis rather, okay. So I have 2 zeros and I have dual axis by right clicking on it to make it dual. Now the same way, I'm going to make this one, this particular 0, which is 0, 2. I'll make this size a bit smaller than the other, and I'm going to turn it to white. There you go. So if I want to split region, let me use region, but this is for the inside circle. Let's undo that. If I want to make it for the outside circle, I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to drop the region in the label, okay, and the region again in the colors. There you go. And let's look at the cells in the label as well. There you go. Okay, so don't forget we have an inner circle, but it's just showing as white, and I can just basically put sum of sales for everything that it relates into it. So sorry, click 0 and sales in the label. There you go. And you can format the size. Let's make this a bit black. Let's make blue. And here you have the size 18 or thereabouts. So it's telling us a sum of everything. Is this. And if you still want to split it, the inner one by region, we could actually do that. And let's see how it appears. Oh, don't forget, always click weight buttons too. Let's use a color. Okay, let's remove that. Oh, sorry. I'm beginning to tamper with this 0. Sorry, so don't forget to always choose the right place. It's distorted the whole thing because it's splitting it. Okay, let's just undo that and leave it as is. There you have your donut chart, and we are good to go. So you could just hide this mark, and you have your donut chart. Thanks for watching.